The following operator training video is for the Hobart FT1000e Low Energy Series Flight Type Dish Machine. Before beginning operation, check to be sure that the machine is set up correctly. Open the machine doors and ensure all components are in their proper operating positions before beginning operation. All strainer pans and scrap baskets must be properly installed in each section. For machines equipped with an ASR section, the ASR arms, strainer pan, and soil collector standpipe must also be properly installed. The external scrap basket must be properly installed beneath the load end of the machine. Wash arm sliders must also be placed in the closed position. The yellow slider indicator will point to the right when the wash arms are in the closed position. Be sure to check both upper and lower wash arms to ensure that all wash arm sliders are in the closed position. All curtains must be properly installed. Refer to the curtain position indicators on machines' doors for proper installation. This information is also available in your operation manual. All tank drains must be placed in the closed position. The drain handles are located near the floor at the front of each tank. Swing drain handles to the right to close and to the left to open. For energy recovery and advances models containing a master drain, this must be placed in the open position. Note: if so equipped, all water and steam supply valves must be open and the electric supply turned on before the machine will function. When machine is ready to fill, press the power key on the keypad. The display will light up and the machine begins to fill automatically. During fill, tanks filling displays on the keypad. Tanks will be full in approximately 10 to 15 minutes. If a door is not closed, door open displays on the keypad. If a drain is not closed, drain open displays on the keypad. Opening a door during the fill cycle shuts off the fill valves. Close the door to resume the fill cycle. When all tanks are full, the fill valves will automatically shut off and the water temperatures will display for each tank. This has been the operator training video for the Hobart FT1000e Series Flight Type Dish Machine. If you have further questions, consult your operation manual. Visit our website at www.hobartcorp.com or contact your Hobart representative.